Hello everyone, Sadek here. So we have only 7 days left for Easy Community Special Deal, and once it's gone forever. So today I'm going to show you custom profile field for your community and a member search. So if we go to a member directory here, you see we have only one search field and nothing else. So let me go ahead and show you how we can make cool custom profile fields here. So first of all, we come here inside member. We have join request as well, so you can do a lot of stuffs here. So no one can join without approval. But so we have two things here: it's profile fields and membership questions. So you can do set up both. So today I'm going to show you profile fields, and there are system fields. So these are all defined by the system, so you can use them or hide them. So it has right now about show on profile, so it will show on the profile page. Website link, those fields will be available for users to fill out, and then those fields will also be available in their profile. So you can decide if those you want to show them inside their profile or not. And these are the custom field. Okay, so right now it has two custom fields. So let me go ahead and create few. I will archive them at the moment, and let me show you how all this works. So I'm going to archive them and record a completed profile. So this is another interesting features. So if you add a custom profile field, and then you can force them or enforce them to complete those profile fields in order to be able to join in your community. So let me go ahead and create a custom fields here. So field label and field type here. So you can ask for anything. So for example, let's say um, even yeah, we can ask for location as well. So let me show how location works. So we can ask for a location. So we can say yeah, your location or country, whatever. Placeholder text, just set location. You can do a lot of stuff here. Those custom field. Help text, we can leave it blank. Visibility, member can view and edit, member can admin only hidden. So member, so you can say if this profile field is actually mandatory or not. So you can say required. Show on profile, you can say ask during sign up, use as a directory filter. But I'm not going to this, since this is an active community, I need to choose something different. But if you require it, then all of the members joining into the platform, they will see some sort of screen they have to fill out, and then they will be able to join back again. So I'm not going to do it again for now, and let me make something much easier. So here we have email number, date. So let me make short text here and say your, let's say your country for now. It just short text. You can make a drop down as well and add all those options here like this. So and all the options, but I will go ahead and make it very simple for the sake of the tutorial. Okay, and this is the interesting one. Use as directory filter, and I can show it here, and it's not required, and it can show on the profile field. So let me go ahead and add that. So now your country is a field we have added, and also it's added in the directory. Now if we go to the member directory here and do a refresh, we should see a new filter here. So right now we can have a lot of filtering here. Start with exact answer, it's exactly is answered. So we can add anything we want here, and we can apply the filtering. So nobody with that answer at the moment. So whatever you fill out there as a custom profile fields, it will be available here. So these options will help you build a complete member directory as well. So just when you do the setups, be careful about if it is a required one, then everybody will have to fill it out. And if you want to show it on the profile, or it's just for you, and if you want to ask this question during the sign up, and this is the important one, use as directory filter. So if this is enabled, then people all those data will be indexed, and people will be able to search and filter with those things. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, feel free to ask.